Good morning, everybody, and happy Friday. Not only is it Friday, but it is the Friday before spring break. So I hope you guys will spend spring break sharpening your saws and just relaxing, spending time with family, getting outdoors, and having a great spring break. We have our very special friend Ella here. Miss her very, very much. And she has a special message for us. And it's kind of hard to see, so I'll read it for you guys. It says, "We are all in this together. Stay home, save lives. Love, Ella Perry." Miss you, girl. All right, guys, if you need to, you can, let's look over our to-do list, and if you need to, you can pause the video to go and do anything that you haven't done yet. Make sure you've said good morning and that you love your family. Go ahead and brush your teeth while humming the ABCs. And wash your hands singing the ABCs. Make sure you've eaten a good breakfast. Make sure your room is nice and clean and your toys are put away. And get any school supplies that you need for calendar time or any other schoolwork that you're going to do today. All right, if you need to, pause the video and come back for calendar time. Okay, we're going to do another Go Noodle. Parents, you may know this song.
MTV, Noodle Television. Too much is never enough.
When I wake up in the morning, the longest I don't want it, I don't think I'll ever make it on time. By the time I grab my boots and I give myself a look, I'm at the corner just in time to see the bus fly by. It's alright, 'cause I'm safe out there. The teacher bumped the test and oh, I'm in a mess, and my dog ate all my homework last night. Riding over in my chair, she would know that it's there. If I can hand it in tomorrow, it'll be alright. It's alright, 'cause I'm safe out there. It's alright, 'cause I'm safe by the It's alright, 'cause I'm safe by the It's alright, 'cause I'm safe by the bed. One more time! When I wake up in the morning, the longest I don't want it, I don't think I'll ever make it on time. By the time I grab my boots and I give myself a look, I'm at the corner just in time to see the bus fly by. It's alright, 'cause I'm safe by the bed. The teacher bumped the test and oh, I'm in a mess, and my dog ate all my homework last night. Riding over in my chair, she would know that it's there. If I can hand it in tomorrow, it'll be alright. It's alright, 'cause I'm safe by the bed. It's alright, 'cause I'm safe by the It's alright, 'cause I'm safe by the It's alright, 'cause I'm safe by the bed.
Wow, that one definitely brings back memories. All right, let's do our ABCs, sign language alphabet.
T Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Bye!
Okay, calendar time, or weather time, I mean. All right, so it is Friday, so we're going to look at Friday. And it looks like we're going to have similar weather to Thursday. Okay. All right, so who can tell me, or go ahead and just yell out, shout out, say what our weather is going to be like today? Who remembers what this sign means from yesterday? Windy. Good. So we're going to have another windy day. What's our temperature going to be like? 53 degrees Fahrenheit. Good. All right, let's move on over to Wally. Okay. All right, so our weather is windy, just like yesterday. So we still have our grandma with the fro, so we don't need to change anything. What about our thermometer, though? Okay, so yesterday it was 63 degrees, and today it is supposed to go down to 53. So it's going to be getting even colder than it was yesterday. All right, so we're going to move our thermometer down about another 10 degrees. All right, so let's look at Wally. Is Wally ready for today? Do you agree with Wally or disagree? I agree with Wally today. He's wearing the same clothes he was wearing yesterday. It was supposed to be a little bit colder yesterday too. It's going to be even colder today, but I still think he's good with his sweatshirt on or a lightweight jacket and his blue jeans. Okay, let's look at our calendar. So yesterday was April 9th, 2020. So what is today's date? April 10th. Okay, let's fix it on our board. Okay, so we write it out as April 10, 2020, and our digital date is 4-10-20. All right, everybody show me your fist. Okay, we're going to say all the months of the year, and we're going to hold May up high. Or I'm sorry, we're going to hold April up high. Ready, set, go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. How many months are there in the year? 12. Okay, days of the week. There's Sunday, then there's Monday. There's Tuesday, then there's Wednesday. There's Thursday, then there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 So what is today's day of the week? Oh yeah, it's Friday. The Friday before spring break. Okay, so everybody do a whisper cheer that today's Friday and the Friday before spring break. Yeah, spring break. Wow. Okay. All right, if today is Friday, what was yesterday? Thursday. And if today's Friday, what will tomorrow be? Saturday. Good. Okay, what season are we in? Spring. Name all 4 seasons. Summer, fall, winter, and spring. Okay, let's add a straw. So, get to do some cool stuff today for our school days. All right, let's count it out first. All right, so class. 100. 110. 120. 130. 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140. All right, so I've got 10 straws in my hand. Can I put 10 straws into my ones place? No, I can't put 10 in my ones place. I have to bundle them up and move them. Where do you think I should move them to? The tens place. Good. So now we have one bundle of 100. We have 4 bundles of 10. And I have 0 ones. Okay? So right now this number is 14, but this is a lot more than 14. So what do I need to put in my ones place? A 0. We need a space filler to fill in that space so that it's not 14, it's 140. Okay, so that is our number of the day, 140. All right. Okay, so we're all right. So who can tell me what a syllable is, or what is a syllable? A syllable is a part of a word. A syllable is a part of a word. A syllable is a part of a word. Namaste. 1. Okay, how many syllables in the word one? 1 syllable. Good. Remember that that is a tricky word. We just have to memorize how to spell it. It's O-N-E. Okay, it's tricky because Magic E usually makes a vowel man appear, but it's not own, it's one. Okay, second word is 100. Namaste. 100. How many syllables? 2. Good. Roller coasters ready? First syllable is hun. 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 Okay. Second syllable, dread. Roller coasters ready? D. D. Dread. D. D. Dread. Okay. All right, our third word is and. Namaste. And. How many syllables? 1 syllable. Okay? Roller coasters ready? And. D. And. D. And. Okay, I'll get to work on a new word today. Okay, so the next word is 40. Namaste. 40. How many syllables in the word 40? 2. Good. First syllable is 4. Roller coasters ready? Or. 4. Okay, so it's F. And then or is made by Orville Orr. Okay, our vowel stealer. He steals our oranges. Okay, so O-R says or. Okay, so we got 4. Second syllable is T. Roller coasters ready? T. E. T. And then Yo-Yo Man steps in for Mr. E to say E. 4T. Okay, skip count by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140. So I have 10 squares right here. So I can trade those 10 squares in for one tens bar. Okay, so this is also equal to 10. So I'm going to switch out all these ones for another 10. Okay. All right, let's review our money. Okay, so what coin is this and how much is it worth? Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, you're worth 5. I know that. 5. What coin is this and how much is it worth? Quarter, quarter, big and bold, you're worth 25, I'm told. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. What coin is this and how much is it worth? Penny, penny, easily spent, copper brown, and worth 1 cent. There's no touch points on it, we just count it as 1. And last one. What coin is this and how much is it worth? Dime, dime, little and thin, I remember, you're worth 10. 5, 10. How many quarters are equal to $1? 4 quarters are equal to $1. 4 quarters are equal to $1. 4 quarters are equal to $1. Okay, so I've got 4 quarters here, and all my quarters have 5 touch points on it. So let's practice skip counting by 5 to 100, because 100 cents is equal to $1. Okay, ready, set, go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, which is equal to $1. Okay, so 4 quarters is equal to $1 bill. It's the same. So let's work on our counting our money. And so we're going to say our dollars, then we're going to skip count on our quarter and our dime and count our pennies. All right, here we go. $1, $1 and 5, $1 and 10, $1 and 15, $1 and 20, $1 and 25, $1 and 30, $1 and 35, $1 and 36, $1 and 37, $1 and 38, $1 and 39. So what do I need to add to get to $1.40? A penny. Penny, penny, easily spent, copper brown, and worth 1 cent. But we're not done yet. I've got 5 pennies right here. What could I trade those 5 pennies in for? What coin could I trade those 5 pennies in for? A nickel. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, you're worth 5. I know that. So I'll trade in my 5 pennies for 1 nickel. Okay, let's write out our money. All right, so we always start with a dollar sign. Then we put our dollars, which we have 1. We put our decimal point to divide our dollars from our cents. And then we put our cents, which is 40. $1.40. Okay, guys. Hope you all have a wonderful spring break. Sharpen your saw, get outside, have fun, spend some time with your family, and we'll see you back in a week. Take care.